the electromagnetic one. One marvelous proof of the power of light is the eye. The eye has a specific configuration, which happens that it is a nanometric, fine, it's nano, it's South African Nanotechnology Initiative, and nano is a buzzword, fine, no problem. The end of the day, the eye is a majestuous interaction between a human being and light. Whatever is this light, it's extremely very selective, it's extremely very sensitive, it's extremely frequency and background to signal high, being it in animals as much as the dogs and the cats and the mouses. The studies have been done. Nonetheless, is that the direct interaction between light and the eye is related to some proteins and enzymes, and this directly signal from optics, light, to the synapse, to the brain through the synapses. It's in the femtosecond regime. Who has measured it? None. Can we measure it? I hope, or we hope. But it's a perfect dominance of light with the interaction with the condensate matter. And this cycle has been, of course, measured, studied, and so on. Can we replicate it? It is not an easy stuff. The second truly outstanding example how light interacts with the mother life is a leaf. All of us, we have collected leaves, we take flowers, what. But I must admit, if we were able to emulate what a leaf is doing, which is made by stomata and, how can I say, nanometric based systems in the life, contributing directly for an extremely effective CO2 reduction, oxidoreduction of a CO2 and vapor water to sugar and oxygen. This cycle is really fantastic. First of all, it's only recently that we measured the dynamic of light interacting with the stomata, giving more or less justifying the reactivity, the chemical reaction between the atmosphere and the system, giving the sugar which is required for the plant and oxygen. Michael Gatzel has in 1984 or 82, between 82 and 84, has emulated indeed the photosynthesis artificially. But how can I say, the rate of conversion is not 100% at all in the solar cells. It's a maximum 9%. Of course, if we take the perovskite, something else. But only imitating this one is a maximum of 9%, while Mother Nature does it at 100%. All of us, we know more or less what is optics. But give back to Caesar, which belongs to Caesar, and to Cleopatra, which belongs to Cleopatra. Who are the masters and the ambassadors and the pioneers of optics? We always say, Germany is the US. No! With the great respect to our German and, of course, our US colleagues. No. It is important to boost himself or herself. We need to know what are our roots. And well, these are more or less within the years who has contributed in this field of optics and photonics. And I really would like to single out this one as much as any scientist who believes in it. Of course, Ibn al-Haytham.